National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Chisago County, central Isanti County, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cambridge, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Spring Lake, Harris, Granby, Weber, Bodum, and Cambridge Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 154 and 157. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for east central Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
El Servicio Meteorológico Nacional ha emitido advertencias de tormentas eléctricas severas para los siguientes condados: Chisago, Emireno, en las 5:15 p.m. de julio 19, 2019, efectivo hasta las 5:45 p.m.
National Weather Service ยังส่งเตือนมวลน้ำซ่อนตรวจล้อเราที่เช่นจังเรา
Chisago, Minnesota,
เขา
5:15 p.m.
รู้
July 19th, 2019,
หมู่เจ้า
5:45 p.m.
hay-adda adeega cimilada qaranka ayaa soo saaray digniin onkod iyo hillaac qaran ee meelaha soo socda
Chisago, Minnesota,
markay tahay
5:15 p.m.
bisha
July 19th, 2019,
ilaa iyo
5:45 p.m.